Hello everyone, today I'm doing an unboxing of two items, a guitar pedal and some earplugs. Starting with the pedal, it's a DoD Overdrive 250 preamp. I got both from Amazon. It looks like it comes in two boxes and a little plastic bag inside. Yep, little plastic inside. Let's take this bad boy out of the box. Little sticker in that. Pretty cool. I don't get many of those when I buy pedals. No owner's manual, which is weird. I mean, not weird because it's only two knobs. Can't go wrong with that. You get a gain knob and you get a level knob. I've been waiting for this pedal for so long. Such a great tone. Definitely works better when you have like a dirty channel, like slightly dirty. Just freaking sick. Pretty cool. I like it. Now moving on to the earplugs. I got those from Amazon. I think the brand name is Eargasm. Pretty silly name. Nice box. Well made. High fidelity earpods, 16 dB. Business cards, maybe more stickers. Nope, just business cards. Nice keychain container. Seems like it's two pairs of earplugs. Oh yeah, it's one pair, and you choose the size of the plug because it has a filter in it. So you have to wear the one that has a filter in it. Nice container, keychain container. I like it. Can't wait to try them. Pretty cool. And by the way guys, thanks for watching all my videos and subscribing. You know, if you like videos like this, comment below, like it, share it, you know, subscribe. That will be amazing if you can do that. Watch videos like more detail on the cooking, or maybe on my pedal board, which I play on my band, or mountain bike specifics. Well, I'm not a pro mountain bike, but I can help out a little bit, or maybe like my bike check and stuff like that. Yeah, it seems it has a filter in that, and that's the ones that you need to wear, I guess. Alright, that's it for today. Just gonna install the pedal after this, and sorry about the mess that you're about to see with my pedals. It's just a mess. Thank you.